Hello, my friend. Today, I want to share with you a technique that can change your English speaking forever. Maybe you understand English, but when you try to speak, words don't come out easily. Maybe you feel nervous and think, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? I understand your fear. I understand your pain. I was there too. But today, I will teach you a method that helped millions of people to speak English naturally, confidently, and fluently. This method is called shadowing. So, sit back, take a deep breath, and listen carefully. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and speaking at the same time as them. Imagine this: a child learns to speak by listening and copying their parents. They repeat words again and again until they speak naturally. Shadowing is like that. You listen and repeat immediately. You don't pause. You don't translate. You just follow like a shadow. That is why it's called shadowing technique. Shadowing is powerful because it trains your mouth to move like a native speaker. It improves your pronunciation and rhythm. It makes your listening sharp like an eagle. It helps you think in English instead of translating in your mind. Many English learners read grammar books and memorize vocabulary, but when they speak, they sound unnatural. Their sentences are slow and broken. Shadowing solves this problem. It connects your brain, ears, and mouth together like a strong chain. Let's learn step by step how to do it effectively. Step 1. Choose the right audio. Start with short audios, 1 to 2 minutes. Choose something with clear pronunciation and natural speed. You can use YouTube videos, English podcasts, or audiobooks. If you are a beginner, choose slow and simple audios like children's stories. If you are intermediate or advanced, use TED Talks, English news, or motivational speeches. Step 2. Listen first. Listen to the audio once or twice without speaking. Try to understand the meaning. Feel the emotion of the speaker. Notice how their voice goes up and down. Step 3. Shadow immediately. Play the audio again. This time, speak with the speaker at the same time. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't pause the audio. Imagine you are their shadow, always following, always moving with them. Step 4. Focus on pronunciation and intonation. Notice how the speaker connects words. Try to copy their speed, tone, and emotion. For example, if they sound happy, speak happily. If they sound serious, speak seriously. This will make your English sound natural and alive, not robotic. Step 5. Repeat many times. Shadow the same audio 5 to 10 times. Each time, your mouth muscles will become stronger. Your tongue will move faster. Your confidence will grow like a tree getting water every day. Many learners give up because they make these mistakes, trying to shadow very fast audios at the beginning. Pausing too much and breaking the flow. Being shy to speak loudly. Thinking they need perfect understanding before shadowing. Remember, the goal is not perfection, but practice. Perfection will come later, like flowers that bloom after the plant grows. I know it feels hard sometimes. You might think, my English is so bad. I will never improve. But listen to me. Every native speaker was once a baby who could not speak a single word. They learned by listening and copying again and again. You can do the same. You just need patience and practice. Imagine yourself after 30 days of daily shadowing. You will speak faster. Your pronunciation will sound clearer. People will understand you easily. And you will feel proud of yourself. Here is a simple daily shadowing routine. 5 minutes, listen to a short audio carefully. 10 minutes, shadow the audio 5 times without pausing. 5 minutes, record yourself and compare with the original speaker. In just 20 minutes daily, you will see big improvements within weeks. Dear friend, you have a powerful voice inside you. Don't let fear stop you. Use the shadowing technique every day. It is not magic, but it brings magical results. Remember, every great speaker was once a beginner who never gave up. Speak like a shadow today, and tomorrow your words will shine like the sun. Thank you for listening. Practice shadowing today and share your experience. If you want, I can create daily shadowing practice audios and scripts for your spoken English improvement and YouTube learning series. Let me know anytime.